Hello, Espresso friends! Let's talk about bowling. Go to page 13 to 16 in the Mathlete Playbook. Bowling is a game where you take a ball and roll it down a lane to try to knock down 10 pins. If you knock them all down, that is called a strike. I recently read about a 10-year-old named Kai Struthers from New Jersey that bowled a perfect game of 300. That means he hit all 10 pins down 10 frames in a row. I read all about it on the National Bowling Association website. Go to tnbainc.org. It's fun reading and seeing not just people of color who are passionate about bowling, but young people my age. Learning about different sports and the rules of the game, how you play it, and how you become the best at a sport is so fascinating and fun. Check back soon for more video clips and highlights from the Mathlete Playbook. Read each section and complete the math problems. When we complete the whole book, I have a surprise and a prize waiting for you. Bye for now.